This is a waist trainer that I just got. I am so excited. As soon as it came in the mail, I ripped it open and put it on. I'm starting on this first level of clasps. What I will say is I did take the recommendation and actually measure my waist before I purchased it. I did get a small and a medium. The small was too small. The medium was perfect. The sizing is pretty accurate on that, and I think if you're between, definitely size up is what I did. So the medium is great for me. The biggest thing with this, I've been eyeing a waist trainer for a while, and this one I like that it comes in a lot of different varieties. This particular one is like a rubbery latex feel to it, so it feels more sturdy. They do have different options for torso length. Mine is on the shorter side, I believe, but I did just get the normal size. Another big thing that I purchased this for, not only to help compress some of this extra skin I have from having kids, but I also need to work on my posture, and I found that all day today that I've been wearing it, when I'm sitting at my desk, I am sitting up straighter because it doesn't allow you to slouch in this. So this is great for that purpose as well, which is a big thing for me. I highly recommend this. It does, like I said, it has different kinds that you can take a look at, different materials, but this, I couldn't recommend it enough. I am excited to see results, and as you wear it and train your waist, you can get it tighter and then maybe even get another one and get a size smaller, just depending on what your goals are. But I plan on wearing this at least 8 hours a day. You can wear it while you're working out. You can put your clothes over it. Of course, I'm just at home now, so I'm just wearing it over my tank top. But if I were to go out, I would put something over it because I don't know if this is definitely in style right now. But anyway, check it out, and I think that you'll like it as much as I do.